Today we're going to make the famous TikTok egg cheese quesadilla. All you need is eggs, shredded cheese, the tortilla, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and put our eggs in a bowl. We're going to start mixing them. Put a little bit of salt. Mix again. And then when the oil is ready in a pan, we're going to put our egg. And we're going to wait until it's almost fully cooked. We're going to move it just around. And then we're going to put our tortilla. We're going to flip it. We're going to put cheese. We're going to close it up like a quesadilla. Wait at least a little bit until it's golden brown on one side, and then here we have it. It's our quesadilla. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.